Hey, good to have you here. Today we're covering workspaces in Northflow. You've already got one. It was created when you signed up. So this is less about setting one up and more about what it actually is and what happens when you need a second. Because you actually might. If you take on another client or get invited into someone else's workspace and suddenly you're in more than one. Worth understanding how that works before it happens rather than after. New here? Northflow is the operations platform for modern podcast teams. Guest booking, production, everyone and everything within one place. Let's get into it. Let's start with the foundation, because everything else sits on top of this. Everything in Flux lives inside a workspace. Your workspace is your company. If you're a solo creator, that's just you. If you're an agency, that's your whole team. And everybody you invite lands here. Up in the top left corner, you'll see your workspace name. Click it and you can switch between workspaces if you belong to more than one, which happens a lot if you consult for other companies or you're part of someone else's network. Right below that is the Create button, and this one's worth committing to memory. Project, space, contact, reminder. Whatever you're making, you can start it right here without navigating anywhere first. It's the fastest path to everything in the product. One more thing worth doing early. Your workspace name and your general setup all live in Settings under Workspace. Takes about 2 minutes. Set it once and you never think about it again. So that's Workspaces. One per company, and you can belong to as many as you need. Next up, we're going one level down, into Spaces. That's where your shows and clients actually live, and it's the decision that shapes everything after it. It's on screen now or linked below. See you in that one. Bye.